All right, so this is the current project. We got a S550 Mustang rear end. This is an independent rear out of a 2021 Mustang GT. They come 67 inches wide. I chopped this one up, took the whole center section out to try and take it down to 61 inches. So I'm gonna take 6 inches out of it. And pretty well have the back chopped up and boxed in right now. Used a bunch of quarter plate. Kind of got everything boxed and the lasers on it right now to try and locate the drop and try and center it and everything. So still got to do the front, but I'm gonna try and locate the rear first. And here's a regular subframe. This is what they look like. I kind of started to mark this one and get it ready to cut up, but kind of just using it as reference right now to make sure I get that one all squared up and get all the distances right. So yeah, this is the current project. Good times. It's probably gonna go in spoolius over here. It's full of the corn juice right now, just waiting for the weekend to come. This thing stays ready. Stay ready, you don't need to get ready. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you know what I'm saying.